Friend Auto Repair Shop and an auto store. Bailao, Mabahaw, Camiguin. This place has changed a little bit since the last time I was here. They modernized a little bit. And he's got a lift here, it looks like, which is an improvement over the way things used to be. And he's also got a tire machine for changing tires, a tire changer. And he's also got a balancer, which is the first one I've seen on this island. But his tire machine, he bought it, he said, for 600, I think he said 600,000 pesos. And it was sold to him. It was supposed to be an Italian. It was supposed to be Italian, and it isn't. It was made in China, but it had Italian labels on it. So he kind of got ripped off. And it doesn't work right either. So he was cheated. Here it is. This is the tire changer. You see, plainly it says made in Italy. But if you look here, there's a Chinese label inside that machine. And he's having trouble with it. These tubes, he's had to replace those. And I don't know if it's working right now or not. So he's also got some basic supplies here. And you know, so there's a few things he doesn't have to run back and forth for. But this is all different than it used to be. And I'm having my brakes done, but also the battery needs to be changed. This is my battery right here, and my brake pads as well. So hopefully that's going to take care of both of my problems. And I also have a couple other minor issues that need to be dealt with. So it's a big improvement over using jacks. You speed things up quite a lot.
Hindi na lang buto ng mount ko. Mount. Taan? After sa nasing magbisigig buto eh. May gamayan ng laban na Camiguin. Ha?
Basta 20 kanina madaling araw ay nagkaroon ng laban fountain.
Says this tire was made in India. They said they're pretty decent tires. They don't like to sell the Chinese ones. They say the Chinese ones are terrible. I bought this in Camiguin, Oro. So hopefully that's going to take care of the brakes and the squeak. There was a squeak when I was driving, and he showed me the reason why. Now we're going to change the battery. That's not too complicated. I already paid for this. The battery and the brake job together are costing me 6,300 pesos. And that's about 100. 5,000 is 100, and 20 plus 300, so less than $130 US to do both these jobs. But it really does suck that these batteries over here in the Philippines, they only last two years, 3 tops. And they still cost the same kind of money that you pay in the United States. So it sucks.